Hello guys, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Blizzard showcase with my friend Red Tax Collector. So first he's gonna use Blizzard Z, and he's gonna use Blizzard Z. As you can see, it shoots out about like 6 snowflakes, does around 2,000 damage, and it has pretty good range. Okay, the next move. That is Blizzard X. It shoots a blizzard at your opponent, and it curves a little bit. It's pretty overpowered. Okay, next move. This is Blizzard C. Spawns a blizzard on your opponent, and it stuns them a little bit and like makes them go around in the air. Okay, next move. Okay, this is Blizzard V, and it makes a huge domain around you. And as long as your opponent is inside of that domain, they take damage. Okay, now show us F. F is pretty overpowered because you could fly, and while you're flying, you damage your opponent. So, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna show you a Blizzard combo. Let me just reset real quick. Okay. So Blizzard V, Blizzard C, and then Blizzard F. And then you see how there's a little bit of health left? You could just finish off your opponent with a fighting style. Or Z. So yeah, that is the end of this video, and next video we will be doing portal combos. So see you guys next video.